it's a feeling you get. And even if you don't fully understand on a mind level the story, it doesn't matter. It's not about understanding it on the mind level or making sense of it. Because as you said, your body can move in different ways that may not look balanced from a dance perspective, traditional kind of dance perspective. But that's not what we're trying to do. We are expressing from the soul's and heart's perspective. And so whatever comes through and is experienced, as a feeling is perfect, is right, and it does serve people because there's a purity about that place, where we meet on the soul, on the heart and soul levels. And that meeting place is a recognition of one another's humanity, whatever we've faced, in life, the joys, the challenges that we face. And in so meeting at that place, witnessing, seeing one another, feeling one another's experience, there's a healing that occurs.